Thinking about where your money is sitting and if it's really working for you? If your savings account isn't growing much, you're not alone. Many traditional banks offer super low interest rates. But what if there was a way to make your money work harder, all from the comfort of your couch? Today, we're walking through exactly how to open an EverBank performance savings account online. This is a high-yield savings account designed to help your money grow with a competitive APY, and the best part is, the whole process is simple and can be done in just a few minutes. Plus, there are no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum to open. All you'll need is your social security number, a valid ID, and a way to fund the account, like your current bank account and routing number. Let's get started. First, head over to the EverBank website and find the Open an Account button. You'll want to select the EverBank Performance Savings option. The application is broken down into a few simple steps. You'll start by entering your personal information, like your name, address, and contact details. Then, you'll provide your social security number and other identification details as required by federal law. After that, you'll review and agree to the account disclosures and terms. This is where you'll see all the details about the APY and any other important information. Once you've done that, the final step is to fund your new account. You can easily do this by linking an external bank account. Just input your existing bank's routing and account numbers, decide how much you want to transfer, and you're good to go. EverBank will process the transfer, and your new high-yield savings account will be up and running. It's really that straightforward. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.